I spent my summer testing these electric water guns, and let me tell you, you don't want to waste your money on the wrong one. I've got the scoop on 5 amazing options that'll turn your backyard into a water battle zone. Let's dive in. Product number 1, Aliexpress Electric Water Gun. The Aliexpress 2025 upgraded electric water gun is a game changer. I took this beauty to a pool party and it was an absolute hit. With its impressive 800 milliliter capacity and a shooting range of up to 40 feet, I felt like a water warrior. The automatic water suction is a feature that you don't realize you need until you experience it. You just fill it up, pull the trigger, and let the fun begin. I was able to shoot continuously for about 40 minutes without needing to refill, which kept the excitement going. The precision sight and foldable gun mount are perfect for aiming at my unsuspecting friends. The design feels robust and is made from environmentally friendly materials, so I didn't have to worry about it breaking mid-battle. One downside is that it's a bit heavy, weighing around 3.25 pounds, which could be cumbersome for younger kids, but for adults and teens, it's the perfect weight for an epic showdown. If you're looking for a solid electric water gun that combines power, range, and fun, this is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for pool parties, beach days, or just a backyard battle. The Aliexpress water gun guarantees endless summer fun and is a great investment for anyone who loves water games. Product number 2, Aliexpress GROO Electric Water Guns. I tested the Aliexpress GROO electric water guns. These come in a vibrant blue and pink duo, making them visually appealing for kids and adults alike. What I loved most about these guns is the automatic shooting mechanism. Simply pull the trigger and water shoots out with impressive force. The shooting range is about 32 feet, which is pretty decent for a water gun. I took them out to a family gathering and the kids had a blast. The 2 included lithium-ion batteries ensure that the fun doesn't stop anytime soon. They're rechargeable and last quite a while. One of the cons, though, is that they can feel a bit bulky for smaller hands, which might make it tricky for the little ones to handle. But for older kids and adults, they provide a solid grip and a fun experience. The build quality feels sturdy and the ABS material used is both safe and durable. If you want a water gun that delivers a powerful shot and is easy to use, especially for a summer gift, the Aliexpress GROO is a fantastic option. Product number 3, GPP NKC Electric Water Gun. Let's talk about the GPP NKC Electric Water Gun. This one comes with a 1000cc backpack, which is a game changer for prolonged water fights. I took it to the beach and the kids loved the concept of having their own water supply. The shooting range is between 26 to 33 feet, which is quite impressive. What stood out to me was the auto water absorption feature. You just have to pump it a few times and you're ready to soak your friends. The 500 mAh battery lasts about 50 minutes, which is more than enough for a good water bottle. However, keep in mind that it can take a bit of time to refill the backpack, but it's a small trade-off for the fun you'll have. The design is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold, and the anti-leak design is a thoughtful touch. This water gun is perfect for family gatherings or beach outings. If you're looking for a way to engage the kids and create memorable experiences, the GPP NKC electric water gun with its backpack is definitely a worthy purchase. Product number 4 is the Huawei Electric Water Gun. The Huawei Electric Water Gun is next on my list. This gun is designed with a detachable water tank, which makes refilling a breeze. I found the assembly process straightforward, and my kids were able to figure it out with minimal guidance. The effective range of 32 feet is impressive, and the continuous shooting feature means you can keep the water coming without pause. One of the coolest aspects is the added LED light, which makes evening battles even more exciting. However, I did notice that it might not be as effective in bright sunlight, but it adds a fun twist during nighttime play. The battery protection feature is essential for ensuring longevity, and the fact that it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries is a big plus. The Huawei water gun is perfect for anyone wanting a fun-filled summer, making it a fantastic gift option. If you want a water blaster that's easy to use, fun to look at, and packed with features, the Huawei is one to consider. Product number 5. SZBZ Electric Water Gun. The SZBZ electric water gun is a strong contender. With a modular built-in battery, charging is simple and safe. I loved how it can switch between auto and manual modes, which is a great backup feature when you're out of battery. Its large capacity of 610cc plus 320cc means you can keep shooting without constant refills, perfect for those lengthy summer water fights. The range is impressive too, going up to 32 feet. I found the grip comfortable and it's lightweight, which makes it suitable for kids. However, it is advised not to submerge the gun in water, but it held up well during my testing. The SZBZ water gun is a great choice for both kids and adults, ensuring everyone can join in on the fun. If you're looking for versatility, durability, and a water gun that can keep up with the excitement of summer, the SZBZ water gun is a fantastic addition to your arsenal. In conclusion, whether you're gearing up for a family beach day or an epic backyard water battle, these top 5 electric water guns will keep the fun flowing all summer long. I'd recommend picking one based on your needs, but you can't go wrong with any of these fantastic options.